love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand?
Although you boo, I say quang you. Give me your love, I go conquer you. I be a man, I say don't worry, and we go there together. Although you boo, I say quang you. Give me your love, I go conquer you. I be a man, I say don't worry.
Okay, let me get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back. It literally feel like I haven't been in front of this camera in like forever, but it actually been like 3 weeks. Feel like forever, okay? But welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back. My name is Saygbah. Let me say it slower for my Africans. Saygbah. But for my Americans, Saygbah. So I'm from West Africa. On this channel we do hair, fashion content, a little bit of beauty, but I haven't tapped into that yet, but I know I want to add that to the channel. Basically anything that has to do with me, and of course if you request anything, I do get to add it. So it's not just about me, but mostly I come up with the idea. If y'all want more content that is out of my norm, I'll still do it, because y'all know I love y'all and y'all love me, so we're in this together forever. Okay, let's get into the hair. This hair is from Blink Hair. This is the 4x4 deep wave closure, and yeah, it's 180 density. It's super full, like as you can see, it's like super duper full. I will put a video of it when it's also wet to see how it looks when it's not fully dry yet, so you can see what it look like. But this is the hair when it is dry. It's still a little bit damp. I can feel a little bit of wetness in it, but it's not like super wet. But this is the hair and I love it. It was like super easy to do for the closure. So basically, yeah, this is the hair when it's all wet and basically dry up. This is the hair, super big. I love it. This is the type of hair I love to wear because I'm a big hair kind of girl. I love this. Okay, this is gonna be one of my run to go to hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so every time when I post a video you get a notification. Of course you want to be part of this family. Like, why would you not want to see this gorgeous face on your timeline every time you open your phone? You just gotta love it over here, okay? So let's get into it. Let's watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode with me. Today we are doing a closure installation. As you already know, this was like simple. I think what I'm gonna try to do is try to like tint my lace instead of using the Ruby Kiss. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try something else so that way it can take me less time to blend the lace. It's just an idea, but I'm gonna put it into theory and see how it goes. But today we're doing a closure. It was simple. As you can see, it wasn't a lot of work, so I'm not gonna tuck your head away. I'm just gonna let you watch. If you have any questions, just let me know. But what I would say is watch to the end to see how I blend the lace, because when that do start off, the lace is like super light and you just looking like, how is she gonna be able to blend this? But trust me, it takes practice. Okay, practice make perfect. I literally did not get here overnight. As we all know, I'm still learning. I'm not a pro at it, but what I do is I do blend the mess out of that lace. So watch to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave it below. I don't want to tuck your head off. This is the same routine. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's the same method over and over. I use the bad hairspray, the got to be gel, mousse, water, condition to define my curls. It's just the same method over and over. You can watch. The hair was super duper duper full. So yes, I did have to go back in to plug some of the hair because the top was super full. Even though I use my hot comb, ladies, get a hot comb if you don't have one. Hot comb is your baby girl, okay? Do not forget to have a hot comb. I have two of them for emergency. But the hair, the top was super full. So I had to go back in there and twist some out, have to pluck it out. And I did that for a little bit over and over till I was satisfied, of course. And as we speak to this day, that hair is still full. So if you buying hair, ladies, especially if you buying curly hair, get like 150 or 180 density. If you even want to go bad and bougie, get 200 density. I said so, okay? It might be a little bit pricey. I'm not paying for that part for you, but go higher with the density, especially with curly hair. It be looking so magical, okay? So get your hair, ladies. Let's be out here looking cute together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe though. Thanks for watching.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking and the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of the penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Shelby Drive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan.
Y'all know I couldn't leave y'all without telling y'all how I blend this lace, okay? So for my lace blending, I use the Ruby Kids powder and the Got to Be gel. The Got to Be gel. Those are my two main ingredients, okay? So I make sure I get my little flat. There's this flat brush. Get a flash brush to be precise on the lace, so you don't put it everywhere. So what I do is I spray the Got to Be gel in like a empty container, like something little like a cap, because I don't want to spray it directly on the hair and it gets everywhere. So what I do is I use the rat tail comb. Sorry, there's a car going by around my house. I use the rat tail comb to use that to put the gel on my edges, because I do not spray the spray directly on my hair because it gets everywhere. So that's what I do first. Then I come back using the powder and just put it on the edges and be precise with it. When I get done doing that, I use the rat tail comb again to just put some of the gel, not the gel, the spray. Sorry, I can talk this morning. I use the rat tail comb to put the spray on top of the lace right there where I'm applying the powder. And when I get done, I just tie it up and I go do my makeup and basically do the condition, water, a little bit of spray, some mousse to define the curls, okay? That's literally how I blend my lace. That's it.
This person is making
tens of thousands of dollars a month in passive income, if not more. Take the silicone whisk, for example. It's not sold by some big company. It's most likely sold by someone like me or my friends, where we send our products to Amazon and Amazon does all the heavy lifting for us. So if we scroll down, this is the bestseller rank of 2,862. It is currently generating someone $38,000 per month in semi-passive income. The question is, why help others to make passive income when you can potentially earn your own too? Hi, my name is Tom Wang. I was a pretty normal guy a few years ago. I was working a 9 to 5 at Yellow Pages, but I always knew I wanted to create a side hustle for myself. So when someone introduced me to the world of Amazon, at first I was super skeptical. I thought Amazon was a place where you can just buy old textbooks from. However, as I dove into the world of Amazon, I realized how much of the heavy lifting Amazon does for you. It gives you all the customers, it does all the fulfillment, the returns, the shipping. It literally does 90% of the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is find a profitable product to sell on Amazon where there is demand. And a few years later, I was able to quit my job, work on an Amazon business full time, and now I'm able to travel and do stuff I like. And by the way, this is my sales over the past few years. And I also started teaching this method to see if I just got lucky.
And if you like, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's become family, okay? Family on this channel, positivity. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that way every time I post a video you get a notification. Said Azario, my bouncing baby boy. Are you satisfied now?
The naked way that she